Is your Instagram crashing as soon as you open it? Does the app automatically close or go back to the home screen? Don't worry, you are not alone. Thousands of users are facing this issue today. Before we start, if you are facing this problem right now, hit the like button so we can see how many people are affected from this problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I'll show you how to fix this problem. First, open your phone setting and go to apps. Now search for Instagram and open it. Next, tap on storage and select clear cache. Make sure you only clear the cache. Don't tap on clear data unless you remember your Instagram password, because it may log you out of your account. After that, open the Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see an update button, update the app immediately. Many Instagram crashes happen because of outdated app versions. Now close Instagram completely and remove all recent apps from your phone. Next, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds and then turn it off. Re-enable your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Finally, open Instagram again. In most cases, the app should start working normally. If it's still not working, don't panic. Sometimes this happens because of an Instagram server issue, and Meta usually fixes it automatically within a few hours. So tell me in the comment section, since when you are facing this issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.